Hey family, what's going on? Y'all, I'm getting ready to make a quick dessert. Not much talking today. I'm going to make this dessert for a company that I'm having, and this is going to be cherry cream cheese cinnamon rolls. All I can say, y'all, is after Christmas is on with this weight loss because this dessert is so delicious. So let's go ahead and get started with these cherry cream cheese cinnamon rolls. And this is what you're going to need. You're going to need a pack of Philadelphia cream cheese. You're going to need cherry pie filling, or if you want to use blueberry, blackberry pie filling. We're going to use the crescent roll dough sheets. This is the sheets, y'all, not the actual crescent roll. So these are the original ones, and they are from Pillsbury, and these are absolutely delicious. And we're also going to use some powdered sugar in this recipe. So I have my cream cheese in there, and I'm going to take and get this smoothed out, and I'm going to put a little powdered sugar in here, maybe about a couple of tablespoons of powdered sugar. So let me go ahead and get everything together so we can go ahead and do this wonderful dessert. Okay, family, what we have in here, I decided to go ahead and use 2 of the Philadelphia cream cheese, any kind of cream cheese that you have. I decided to go ahead and use 2, and these are softened blocks of cheese. And now this is how we're going to knead our cream cheese and powdered sugar. You want it soft enough to spread, and my cream cheese was out about an hour, so this is the way. I'm going it soft enough to spread. I'm going to put my cherries inside of this container just in case I have some left, and I can just go ahead and put the top over it and keep it. And this is basically all you do with this. We're going to spread this inside of our rolls. And family, this is so easy for breakfast, for a snack. I'm having company, so I like to have my, I have a 3-tier pastry dish. And I like to have that pastry dish sitting out with delicious pastries on it. Give me a minute, y'all. Let me open this. Okay, y'all know how these things are opening sometimes. You have to be really, really careful. Yeah, you have to be real careful with these because they will tear. And before you even think about using them, go ahead and put them in the refrigerator for a while. Be careful, y'all. Got it spread. And I should have done it on the counter because that way my counter would be wide enough, and I could just take it because I have 2 cans. I really have 3 cans, but my counter would be a little wider. Just let me sprinkle. I was going to sprinkle a little flour on these, but I don't think that I need to. Okay, let's go in with our cream cheese. So what we're going to do is spread our cream cheese on this first. And make sure your cream cheese is good and soft. So you can just spread it. Now these are going to be ooey gooey good. My husband's standing right here looking now, but his mouth watering.
I know you can do that.
Yeah, y'all. So you just kind of spread it. Then after you get your cream cheese, spread it down. And y'all, like I said, these are so good for your holiday meals and, snacks. During the holidays, people like to snack. And they're going to snack. Okay. Let's go in with some cherries. You don't have to spread your cherries around. Just put little dollops of cherries around like this, like so. Because I have another one of these to do. Babe, can you put this in the refrigerator? Because it was a little hard to do. Okay, just put your little dollops of cherry around. Okay, that's about all you need. We're gonna turn this way. And we're gonna start to roll. Keep going. Roll, 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 and roll. Now we're gonna turn it this way. Okay. And kind of press it down like so. And now let's go ahead and get our pan. Okay, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and place them in our pan. We're just gonna cut, place them in our pan. They're a little bit messy, but when they come together, they're gonna be delicious, y'all. I'm trying to cut where you all can see.